Hi, this is Krista at the Secret Yarnery. The power's out today, so I just popped out onto the veranda to do a little happy mail from Zelda. Yeah, Big Daddy.
Love it.
Okay, for a start, yes, this is our bag. And that logo, designed by Crochet Luna, Claudia from Crochet Luna. Isn't that amazing work? The lady has got mad skills. Mad skills. Love it. I have my own bag. This is going to be how I roll. I'll have my little Louie and my yarn is life. I love it. So that is just the beginning. Kavita brought it over on Thursday, I think, and I've been trying to be very good, although I immediately dove straight into it because it didn't click that it was from Zelda. I thought she just brought me something. So I have oogled over this, which is inside the bag. And that is what is in the rest. Can you see in the rest of the bag? There's that. So a card and something else, which I have not looked at, by the way. I'm so good. So a cute little organza bag with pins. I'm a big girl. Oh, yarn enabler. I am. I'm going to put them all over my bag. Where am I going to put them? I'm on a stool outside, so I don't have my normal tables and things. Oh, happiness is crochet. Can you see that? Happiness is crochet. Nobody puts crochet in a corner. Love it. I'm just putting them on my knees. I hope I don't make them fall down. That's cute. Crochet inside. I love that. They're so cool. Summer crochet, yay. That's adorable. I need to get some pins going on. And then the almighty Mac Daddy, Claudia's Crochet Luna. Love it. A million cutenesses. So there is 6 pins. Got 6 pins. I can start collecting. And a little tiny note. Yay, Z! That says Krista. So that's my name. So that means the pins were for me. Kavita won a giveaway on Zelda's channel, Zelda NRJ3. I still don't know how to put things across my screen in Adobe Premiere Pro, so listen to my words. And I'll put a link to her channel in the description box below. Ooh, and a card. This is going to have writing inside. Bag, buttons, bag, button, and mug is for you. Oh, mug! Well, thank you. Might be a mug at the bottom of the bag. Oh, look at that. It's the most wonderful time of the year because all yarn is on sale. Yarn is life, hugs and kisses, Z. What? Oh, that's the coolest ever. Check that out. Oh, and there's her hookups. Find me on YouTube, Zelda NRJ3, and email blah, 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 blah. Oh, Shutterfly. That is classy. I might have to classy up one year. Look how cool that is. Anyway, that's her deets. Find her. Coolest chick ever. Just saying. Oh, there's a picture of a mug. Do you think that's the mug? Okay. Love it. That is very cool. I have merch envy. I'm heavy in the merch envy. Oh, I feel it. I feel a handle and really nice paper. It's soft. Wow, I'm keeping that too. That'll go on my tissue paper hoard stash. Oh, it is the same. Look, look. Oh, I love it. And what a nice blue. It's like, I don't know if it's showing up right, but it's like a blue jean blue. Oh, I love it. Look. Yarn is life. Zelda NRJ3. Ooh, this is so classy. This is going to be my new cup. Oh, I love it. I don't know if I can just use it for coffee. I might have to like keep it on my desk. Thank you, Z. It was awesome. I'm so excited. Thank you so much. I got the bestest friends. I got the bestest friends. thank you so much. So power's out. Probably going to be out all day. Ah, kids are coming. It's lunchtime. I will send them away. So thank you so much, everybody, and I will see you tomorrow, hopefully for a proper video, when I have my power back and I can edit and do fancy things on my pewter. Thanks, everybody. Have a great day. Bye.